This is a protection box. This protection box houses the devices that protect your inverter, protect the solar panels, the batteries, and even the people that are operating the system, and also your appliances from overload, from short circuit, and from even electrical shock. So it depends on what you want to achieve as a solar designer or installer. Now, what you want to achieve or your system design or specifications will determine the type of devices, the size of devices you will install inside this protection box. We have the SPDs, we have breakers, we have PV disconnect, we have energy meters, we have voltage regulators, and other protective devices that you can install inside this protection box. Failure to properly size these devices will pose a serious danger to your installation. Your cables can melt, your system can catch fire, and most of the solar fires we have always start from this protection box. So it is very important that as a solar designer or solar installer, you should know or have the basic knowledge and understanding on how to properly size these devices using the NEC requirements, using NEC guidelines. In a solar power system, we have the DC side of the system and the AC side of the system. So you need to know that this breaker is DC rated, this such protective device is AC rated, so that you don't mix DC with AC. Now, if you want to learn how to properly size these devices, click the link in the description of this video so that you can register for my online training course on how to properly design a solar power system. You will learn how to design solar panels, how to properly size solar panels, your inverter, your lithium battery, your charge controller, your hybrid inverter, your cable, and all the components that are needed for a solar power system to function efficiently. This program runs in the evenings from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So after close of work, you can, sit down and learn how to properly design a solar power system that will not fail. And once a solar power system is properly designed, you will not have issues with your client, and you will install the system and have rest of mind. You also learn how to do proper earthing so that your system will have full protection. So if you are serious that you want to upgrade your skill in 2026, either as an electrician or as a solar installer, you want to upgrade your skill, please enroll. You can enroll in this training program. It's going to be a wonderful program. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. There are many solar installations in Africa, but many of them fail for one reason: improper system design, poor protection, wrong battery, inverter, and solar panel sizing. Are you an electrician or installer and you want to install an off-grid solar power system the right way? Then this training is for you. In this off-grid solar installation program, you will learn how to properly size batteries, inverter, solar panels, charge controller, cables, protection devices like your breakers, your SPDs, your ROCBO, and other protection devices. If you're serious about upgrading your skills in 2026, register now. Link is in comments, video description, or bio if you're watching me on TikTok.